Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week, for the first week of, well, this is my first cash planning week in 2026. So I'm just gonna figure out how much I am putting into each envelope, and then I can go to the bank and get the money to cash stuff. All right, so I have a little list here of all of the envelopes I'm putting money into that I need to figure out the amounts. And I already figured out my wallet. So that's gonna get 170. Spending is gonna get 30. Eating out will get 30. Groceries will get 80. Coffee 20. And buffer will get 10 this week. And that's a total of 170. So I have 246 left from the 416 that I'm cash planning with to put into my envelopes. I want to first start off with priority envelopes. I think I'm going to be able to put 15 into each of these. We shall see. Okay, so extra savings, I will put 15 in here. Month ahead, we'll get 15. And then I have a few in here. I want to do tires. This is gonna get 15. I always do my priority envelopes first, just to get this out of the way. And then treat yourself will get 15. And then I'll probably put fives in a ton of envelopes, just because that needs to stretch into all of these categories. But those are my 4 priority ones right now at the moment. Oh, I need to do a savings challenge. Let me do that first, actually. Okay, so it's a roll the dice one. So let me do that here. All right, so I'm gonna roll 3 times for this challenge. So first I have 3 and 5. That's a little Mickey waffle, which is $1. 2 and 1, another Mickey waffle, that's another $1. And 2 and 2, which is the bar, the mini bar, so that's 3. All right, so I have $5 for this challenge. That is here for the snacks, -5. All right, so that 181 needs to go into all these other envelopes and savings challenges. Like I said, 5s will be going into a lot of these. Okay, first up we have auto. I will put, I actually want to put 10 in this one. 5 in electronics. 10 in emergency. I already did that one. Furniture will get 5. I did that one. Rainy day will get 5. Registration is fully funded, so road trip will get 5. Scentsy 5. Subscriptions 5. And travel will get 5. Okay. This binder for sure is getting all 5s. Okay, beauty is getting 5. I like to at least put something in each one, and 5 is a nice number for me to do. Costco will get 5. Family will get 5. Gifts will get 5. Home 5. Household 5. Pantry is fully funded, and Target will get 5. Okay, and then next let's go into this one. Go Wild. We'll get 5. Disneyland. I'm actually going to Disneyland this weekend, so I'm going to put 10. Well, the upcoming weekend. We did that one. Fun will get 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas, 5. And holiday decor, 5. Okay, I have 51 left. I feel I might be able to bump some of these up a little bit more, but let me go into savings. Okay, so this January one, this is a $10 challenge because I have a $5 and a $10, so this will be 10 this month. This will get 10. This $5 challenge, I'll put 10 in here. Okay, this is Cash Stash, and this is gonna get, what should I have in here? I have 10. Okay, so I'll put 10 in Cash Stash. I really want to try to finish that one, but I can only do so much. And then, 100 envelope. I'm gonna do 10 for this one as well. Yeah, we'll do 10. And then whatever leftover money I have will help to make that a little bit more. A dollar is gonna go into the dollar challenge. Okay, I have $10 left, so I'm going to bump up a couple of these that I think need to be bumped up. So I'm gonna do 2 envelopes. We'll get a little bit more than I originally planned. So I think, which ones do I want to do? Let's see. I'm thinking Disneyland only because I'm going on this week. I'm going soon. Oh, did I run out? 15. Okay, and then I have another 5 left. So where is that gonna go? Household. I feel like I need some stuff. Okay, so that'll be 10. All right, that should be the full 416 going into my envelopes. I'm just gonna double check my numbers and make sure that is correct. My numbers look good, so I can move on. And this is a new sheet that I made. I made it so that way it has shaded lines just because I felt like it was gonna help me not mess up on where I'm putting numbers. We'll see if that helps. But this is from my Patreon, and if you want this sheet, you can go over there on my Patreon and download it and print it yourself. All right, so auto this week is getting a 10, so that's a 1, 110, then 5, then 10, and 15, and 5, and a 15. A bunch of 5s here. Okay, then a 10, 5, 5, 15, 15, 15, 5, few 5s here. And then I have some 10s, a 5. Oh, actually, I want to do, for the $5 challenge, I always sometimes forget. I want to do 2 5s. And 1, and then 1 5, and then 1. Okay. I think that's right. I think I did that right. All right, let's count them. So 50s, I have 1. 20s, I have 3. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28, and then 1s, I have 6. All right, so I'm going to multiply these and then add it all together and make sure I still have 416. So I have 50 times 1 is 50. 3 times 20 is 60. 10 times 16 is 160. 5 times 28 is 140. And then 6. 50, 60, 160, 140, and 6. Perfect. 416. All right, so this is what I am going to get at the bank today. I will be asking for 150. And then for 20s, I will be asking for 3 of those. So that's 60. tens, 16, fives. I need 28 fives. That's 140. And then ones, 6. Ooh, 6. And that is a total of 416 this week. All right, so that is going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching as I cash plan for the week. Definitely check out my cash stuffing of this money, which will be up on Sunday. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And that's going to be it. Hope you have enjoyed the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.